All right, guys, Fresh Card Gamers coming at you with another video. We've got a booster box opening of Lorcana, Rise of the Floodborn. So let's pop this bad boy open and see what we can get. I'm excited as you guys are. Just recently uploaded one of the Illumineers troves, so please check that video out, see what we pulled from there. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully we can pull some big hitters from this one. Let me know what cards you guys are trying to pull, what you're aiming for. I'm going for the Enchanted Sisu. That card is freaking sick. All right, so let's pop open. Start from the right side. See what we can get. All right, so we've got Peter Pan's Dagger, Flynn Rider, Basil, Grumpy, Merlin, Donald Duck, Cogsworth. We got Doc, Madam Mim, Falling Down the Rabbit Hole, Honest John, and then Gumbo Pot. Let's keep sticking with the right. So then over here, excuse me guys, my cat's trying to get in this video again. Just 2 for 2 for cards. Come on, baby. All right, so let's see what we can get. From this one, we've got Felicia. We've got Queen of Hearts, Duke Weaselton, Happy, I'm Stuck, Tiana, Queen of Hearts, Li Shang. We've got Donald Duck. We've got Hercules, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, and then a Hollow Tiana. All right. All right, guys, let's pop open another booster pack. Let's see if my cat doesn't get in the way on this one. She's currently doing some parkour all over. All right, we got Tigger, Donald Duck, Owl, Hold Still. We got Fairy Godmother, Prince Naveen, Merlin, Gaston, Sardine Can. We got Maurice's Workshop. Ooh, Legendary Mufasa. That's what's up. When this character is banished, you may reveal the top card of your deck. If it's a character card, you may play that character for free, and they enter play exerted. Otherwise, put it on the top of your deck. Not too bad. Nice little insurance policy right there. All right, let's pop this one open. So we pulled a Legendary Mufasa. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's see if we can get a whole bunch more. Maybe an Enchanted, who knows? What did you call me? Gaston, Rabbit, Sneezy, Jiminy Cricket, Magic Broom. Let me get my cat out of the way. Mother Gothel, The Prince, Daisy Duck, Christopher Robin. We got a super rare Dr. Facilier. He's evasive, 3 questing. For lore, when this character quests, chosen opposing character can't quest during the next turn. It's pretty good. And then we've got a Hollow the Queen. We've got Boone, Barana, Cruella de Vil, Sleepy, Merlin, Benja, Launch, Fairy Godmother, Zero to Hero, Merlin. We've got Minnie Mouse and Chip the Teacup. All right. All right, guys, let's open up another booster pack. All right, Go the Distance, Radigan, Gumbo Pot, The Queen, Chip, Hercules, The Most Diabolical Scheme. We got Pick a Fight, Ring the Bell, Queen of Hearts, All right, we've got Peter Pan Shadow, super rare evasive with Rush. Your other characters with Rush gain evasive as well. Dang, that is pretty good. And we have a Hollow Cogsworth. Not too bad. I like that card. It's pretty good. It'll match well with that Rafiki from Chapter 1. All right, Baloo, Improvise, The Knock, Rapunzel, Cusco, Beast. Oh, I love the art on that Beast. Check it out. It looks like the gargoyles. Hey Hey, Rapunzel, Fang Crossbow, Rare Flynn Rider. We got Pinocchio, and Let the Storm Rage On. All right, last pack from the right side. All right, Peter Pan's Dagger, Enchantress, Duke Weaselton, Mulan, Legend of the Sword and the Stone, Let the Storm Rage On. We got Card Soldiers, Mouse Armor. I think that's the first one that I've seen so far. Belle, the Grand Duke. All right, Legendary Beast, the Tragic Hero. He's a shift 3. At the start of your turn, if this character has no damage, draw a card. Otherwise, he gets +4 attack this turn, so he's a 7. He's a 3/5, but he can be a 7/5. That's pretty good. Ooh, and a super rare, the Queen Hollow. We'll take that. So you exert, choose and discard a character card. Gain lore equal to the discarded character's lore count. That is crazy. That's pretty good. We'll take that. That's going to be beneficial. All right, we're starting the middle now. We got Raya. We got Ray. We got the Popsicle. Painting the Roses Red. Dr. Facilier, Last Cannon. Nick Wilde. We got Pinocchio. We got Nana. Hiram Flaversham. We got the super rare Tiana with a +2 resist. While this character is exerted and you have no cards in your hand, opponents can't play actions. And then we got the Hollow Baloo. All right, so far so good. Let's see what else we can pull. Here we go. Still hoping for that enchanted, but let's see. Minnie Mouse. We got Panic, Nothing to Hide. Grumpy, I'm Stuck. We got Charge. You Can Fly. We got Big Daddy. Bounce. Shere Khan. We got the Weight Set. And we've got the Hollow Dock. We got Go the Distance. Radigan, Basil, Snow White. Ooh, Winnie the Pooh, the Honey Wizard. Check that out. Love the art on that one. That one's freaking sick. We got Benja, Pinocchio with a shift 3. We got Dopey. We got Judy Hopps. We got Cinderella rare. Grand Pabby as a super rare. Whenever you remove 1 or more damage from one of your characters, gain 2 lore. All right, that's pretty good. And then you quest for 3. And then we got the Hollow Christopher Robin. Pretty good. Hoping to get at least 1 Hollow Legendary from this box. We'll see. Hoping to get a lot of things from this box. Let's see if we can pull its weight. All right, Felicia, Queen of Hearts. We got James, Eudora, Croquet Mallet. We got Jafar. We got Raya, Jafar. We got Pain, Namari, super rare. Another super rare back to back. So we got Namari with Exert, banish this character, banish chosen character. All right, pretty good. And then we have the Queen, which is in the starter deck, but whenever this character quests, chosen opposing character gets -4 attack this turn, and then another character can get +4 attack, so that's really good. And then we got Improvise as our holo. We got quite a bit of super rares, which is pretty good. Not sure what the normal rate of super rares is, but I think legendaries it's about 4 to 5 or something like that. So we got Fidget, Flynn Rider, Jasmine, Happy, Jiminy Cricket, we got Donald Duck, Caterpillar, Last Stand, Binding Contract. We got Pete, I think that's the first one we've pulled. We have the legendary Donald Duck, so Evasive. This character gets +1 lore for each damage on him. Huh, it's pretty good. And then we have a Holo the Knock. Got a couple more in that middle before we start our left side. All right, we got Mulan, Donald Duck, Basil, Hold Still, Elsa, Cinderella, Minnie Mouse, Lawrence. We got Bucky the Squirrel. We got Mrs. Judson, Perplexing Signposts, and we have a holo uncommon Madam Mim. All right, guys, after this one, we got one more for the middle. So we got Tigger, Hypnotize, Rabbit, Piglet. We got Merlin, the Squirrel, Magic Broom, Yzma, Cruella de Vil, Bashful, Lumiere. All right, and we got the Yzma, Shift 4. When you play this character, shuffle another chosen character card into their player's deck. That player draws 2 cards. And we have the Holo Rapunzel. All right, last one for the middle, guys. Coming down to the wire here. We got 8 packs left after this one. All right, we got Boone, Arthur, Owl, Sneezy, Fairy Godmother, Prince Naveen, the Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood, Cheshire Cat. We have Strength of a Raging Fire, Little John, and then we got the Cusco. Holo. All right, left side, left side. What do we got here? We got Lady Tremaine. We got Gaston, Gumbo Pot, Sleepy, Legend of the Sword and the Stone, Tiana, 4 Dozen Eggs, Snow White, Blue Fairy. We've got the Merlin, the super rare Cheshire Cat. So this is, wow, an 8 cost, but a shift 5. Evasive, and then you can exert, banish chosen damaged character. Dang, that's pretty strong. And then we have a holo Queen of Hearts. We'll keep taking these super rares. All right, Raya. You got Enchantress, Popsicle, Painting the Roses Red, Merlin. We got Beast, Sword in the Stone. We got Pacha, Tiana. We got Mulan. We got Gaston, and a holo Merlin. All right, Baloo. We got Ray, Nothing to Hide, Eudora, Cusco, Last Cannon. We got Merlin, Doc, Judy Hopps. We got Teeth and Ambitions. All right, legendary Madam Mim, pretty good. So we got the 7 cost with Evasive. It's a 5/7 character. You're questing for 4 with this card. When you play this character, banish her or return another 2 chosen characters of yours to your hand. Okay. And then we have the holo charge. Pretty good. We'll take those legendaries, especially if they're pretty good. We'll see what deck I want to make based on this new set. Haven't really seen anything so far, but let's check it out. Improvise, Cruella, Piglet. Oh, there goes my cat. Let's grab her. She's only a kitten, guys. She's almost 4 months old. All right, but we got Winnie the Pooh. We got Benja, Card Soldiers, Li Shang, Ring the Bell, the Huntsman. We have a super rare Beast, and then a holo Peter Pan's Dagger. All right, guys, let's open up another one. All right, so we got Minnie Mouse, Hypnotize. We've got the Knock, Snow White, Elsa, Let the Storm Rage On, Fang Crossbow, Nana. We've got Pinocchio, Radigan's Marvelous Trap, World's Greatest Criminal Mind. All right, and the holo super rare Yzma. We'll take that for sure. It's very nice. All right, we got a few more packs left. Let's see what else we can pull. Lady Tremaine, Verona, Jasmine, Milan, Chip, Cinderella, Mother Gattell, Mouse Armor, Bounce, Winnie the Pooh, super rare Cogsworth, and a Li Shang. Holo. We got 2 more packs left, guys. Almost there, almost there. Let's see. We got Mulan, Arthur, we got Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, Hercules, Hey Hey, Dopey, we got Launch. Here we got the Sorcerer's Spellbook. We got Tuk Tuk, or Tuk Tuk. And then we have Holo Enchantress. All right, we got 1 more pack, guys. Let me just grab my kitten. She's going crazy. She's got the zoomies right now. All right, last pack magic. Let's see what we can pull from here. Enchanted, legendary, super rare. Let's see. We got Panic. We got Fidget. James, the Queen. Croquet Mallet. Prince Naveen. We got Raya. We got Big Daddy. We got Donald Duck. Goofy. Super rare Lady Tremaine. And a holo Duke Weaselton. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. All right, stay tuned. We got another booster box opening coming at you a little later. All right.